You can see it is a lot. So I have to move them to right. They are not in the middle. Hitting 2 or 3 or only one string or 2. They are also stuck. They don't go back. Hello. Today, a Rippen piano here in front of me. I have to do a little fix here and there. The hammers, I have to equal the gap. I've been raising up the pitch from this piano. And when I was raising up the pitch, I saw that some of the hammers are not hitting well the strings. Like here, it's only hitting the right string of the 2 here. Also here, the gap between is too much. I have to make the gap between the hammers nice, so they hit the strings very well, and tighten it up. It's all over the piano. I have to take tick, tick, tick to make it straight, the hammers, so they hit the strings well. Like these 2 hammers here, they are not hitting the right string of 3. Middle string and left string, but the right string is out of shape. You can see it here, out of shape. So I have to move them to right. Maybe I have to bend them a little, heat them up and make them in the right position. So the hammers are not straight, so I have to maybe heat them up and move them a little. I have 2 different mechanisms in this one, for runner and for lange. And I always prefer the runner mechanism. So I'm just making the hammers in right position. Sometimes like here, they are just hitting part of the string. They are not in the middle. Sometimes hitting 2 or 3 or only one string or 2. So I have to loose the hammers, tighten it again and put it to right position. So they are hitting the strings very well. That is what I'm doing now. So I can start tuning the piano after that. Yep. Like this hammer, I have to move this hammer, the gap here between, you can see it is a lot. It has to be closer to the next hammer on the right. I have to lose the bolt here, the screw, move the hammer to right, tighten it, and now it's hitting the middle of the string. The hammer is in the middle of the string. This one, a little one. I have to move this one. Sometimes they're also touching each other, so they're also stuck. They don't go back. Here is a lot of gap. This hammer is almost touching the last string. So I have to move it a lot to right. The gap between the hammers are much better now, and I can start tuning the piano after a few minutes. Rippen piano from Holland. Everything is working well in this piano now. Thank you for watching. See you later. Bye bye.